Now, in your competition, the type of bowling that you do now is that you have a team of whether it's 3, 4, or 5 people. Each person on the team bowls an entire game, and the winner is determined by the total of the games on the team. The Baker system is opposite of that. And in this tournament, you're going to be 5 to a team. So your entire team, all 5 bowlers, are going to combine to bowl a single game. That's how it works. It's just the opposite of what you're used to. That's why I want to take the time to go over this with you. Now, how do we decide who bowls when? Because essentially, on a 5-person team, in a Baker game, how many frames do you think each person's going to bowl? 2. All right. Now, how do we decide who bowls what frame? All right. Now, the way this works is the coach or whoever's in charge of the team, you make that determination. So, who are my ones? You're my one, you're my one. What that means is, if you're the lead-off person, that means you are going to bowl the first frame of each game, the first frame, and frame number 6. So, in Baker competition, and you can look it up on TV, and I would recommend you get these, you can do it for review, USB, whatever. In competition where there's Baker games, they're actually given a sticker to put on their back so that you know. So when you see Baker competition, the lead-off person will have a sticker that looks like it's the number 16, but it's not 16. It stands for the first frame and the 6th frame. So who's second? What numbers are going to be on your frame? 2 and 7. 3 and 8, 4 and 9, 5 and 10. Huh? It sounds simple, but believe me, I bowled back in the early 90s. There was like a professional organization, they called it the Brunswick World Team Challenge. That's where Baker bowling became popular. And believe me, I was out there with PBA professionals and I saw these guys mess it up. So it sounds simple, but it's not. It's useful. The reason the stickers are useful, and I'll give you an example where they can play with your teammates. Let's say we're in the 3rd frame of the game, but the person up there in the 3rd frame, their sticker says 4-9. Is that the person that should be up to bowl? No. The sticker that person's up to bowl should say what?
3, 8.
3 and 7. I'm sorry.
3 and 8.
3 and 8. 3 and 8. 38. So that way, if you're back there, it's in the 3rd frame, somebody's got 4-9 or 5-10, you've got the wrong person up the bowl.
Because for our athletes, it's not going to have your name up there, which is what
No.
you're used to.
No, this is what you're going to see right here. When you're in Baker competition, that's all you're going to see on the screen. You're going to see A and you're going to see B. That is all you're going to see. That's why, so it's not that simple, is it?
No,
No,
said it was
it is not.
complicated. I said it was complicated.
It even sounds complicated.
Okay. So, what I would tell you to do to keep everybody in their order, and that's why I pulled some chairs out, you're sitting there, okay? So right now we're going to go right into bowling. So my ones are right here, right? My views, 1 and 6. So where's my 2s?
Can I stop?
2 in here.
Maybe.